Hey there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the amazing Closets Clothes Organizer Pants Jeans Storage Box Cabinet Drawer Organizer Underwear Socks T-Shirt Wardrobe Storage Organizers. This incredible product is a game changer when it comes to keeping your closet organized and maximizing your storage space. With its versatile design, this organizer is perfect for storing all of your clothing items, from pants and jeans to underwear, socks, and t-shirts. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers and overstuffed closets. The Clothes Organizer is here to save the day. Not only does this organizer help you keep everything neat and tidy, but it also saves you time and frustration when it comes to finding the items you need. No more digging through piles of clothes. With the Clothes Organizer, everything has its place. And the best part? This organizer is incredibly durable and easy to assemble. It's made from high-quality materials, and the sleek design will complement any closet or wardrobe. Plus, it's easy to clean and maintain, so you can enjoy a tidy closet for years to come. So if you're tired of a messy closet and want to streamline your morning routine, the Clothes Organizer is the perfect solution. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. Trust me, once you try the Clothes Organizer, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome reviews and organization tips.